guys, this is Waheed with Taste and Travel with Waheed. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I am in Naperville visiting Bundoo Khan Express. I'm eager to try their food again. I've been here for a couple of times, really enjoyed a lot of their cuisines. So as an express, they do offer a lot of good items here. Very satisfying, very traditional, as well as the modern with pizzas and burgers and stuff like that. So a lot of good grill items as well guys. So let's go eat. Come on. As soon as we walked inside, my first impression was how clean, modern, and spacious the restaurant felt. There are plenty of tables and chairs, making it comfortable for families, group of friends, or anyone stopping in for a freshly grilled meal. The layout naturally guides you towards the cashier as you enter. The counter is arranged almost like an aisle, so ordering is simple and straightforward. We were immediately welcomed by the friendly staff. Next to the main ordering area, there is a small separate dessert counter giving guests the opportunity to finish their meal with something sweet. But what gives this restaurant its real personality is the decor, the paintings and traditional items displayed around the walls, creating a feel of nostalgia, bringing back memories of Karachi and the old-fashioned ways Pakistani food was prepared. These older kitchen pieces are not just decorations, they help tell the story of a cooking tradition passed from one generation to another before modern restaurant equipment, when much of the preparation required time, skill, and hands-on attention. One of the most interesting parts is that you can see much of the action taking place right behind the counter. The grilling area is clearly visible, along with the team assembling orders and preparing dishes before the servers bring them out to the tables. The history of Bundoo Khan Express goes back to the early 1980s, when its founder migrated from Karachi to Chicago. After noticing that the city had Pakistani restaurants but lacked the authentic grilled cuisine Pakistanis took pride in, he worked with his brother, a professional chef in Karachi, to recreate those genuine barbecue flavors. After years of learning, training, and perfecting the recipes, Bundoo Khan Express opened in 2015 with the goal of delivering what it calls a taste of Pakistani tradition. The restaurant may have a modern appearance today, but its storied decorations and open grilling experience remain closely connected to the streets, memories, and barbecue traditions of Karachi. It's a fairly large working area with the grill team, kitchen helpers, and servers all working together. Watching the food being prepared adds excitement because you can see that these dishes are not simply coming out of a hidden kitchen. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and try some bihari kebab so you can see how they've grilled it. Got the nice char going on the outside here. And look at the meat inside. Looks like it's nicely done. So I'm just going to try some of this. I'm going to try it without any sauce right now, just to kind of taste it and see how the flavor is. Bismillah. It has a nice charred taste, as well as the masalas that they're using. It's soft and tender in the inside, for sure, and definitely very well done. Very good. So now I'm going to try the shish kebab. See how it's done here. Again, with the way that they grilled it, it's nice and char on the outside. Looks like it's just really nicely done in the inside. Let's see how it is. Okay guys, it's not dry at all. It is moist inside. It does have a nice little extra flavor going in. Very comparatively to the bihari kebab, it's different in taste and ingredients that they're using. You can see some green in there as well, the chilies. But it's not hot at all, but it's very comfortable, very tasty. Very good. This is a chicken body. So we go for a piece here. Oh wow, very tender. As you can see, it breaks really easily. Very nicely seasoned. It does have a little bit of the chili in it. Gives it more of the oomph, you can say, that they have the taste and the spice. But it's really good. It's tender. It has a nice charge on the outside. Not dry at all. Very well done. Tell you what guys, over here we have the dal tadka. This you can actually use it with the naan as well as with over the rice, and kind of mix in some of the meat ingredients and try it together, which I'm going to do next. So let's just go ahead and get started eating some of these other food. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm going to try the bihari kebab with some of the chutney that they gave you. So let me see how this is with the chutney now, okay? Trying with some chutney. The chutney is nice. You can add that if you're looking for something to cool it down a little bit. It has a nice tangy, spicy flavors to it, so definitely enhance the flavor of the meat as well. All right guys, that was a terrific meal I just had. Very satisfying. I was able to order a mixture of things you will see from this video as well. Everything was well done, well prepared. The taste reminds you of something that you could actually, some of the dishes you can have at home that reminds you of home. So very satisfying. I would highly recommend it if you haven't tried these guys to come by and see them. They're in Naperville. They did tell me that they're expanding as well to other locations, so look them up online, and I'll see you in the next one.